This question asks, what happens when the temperature of this reaction is increased? And it's in terms of Le Chatelier's principle. It's wondering which direction the reaction shifts when the temperature is increased. In this case, the reaction is exothermic. How can we tell? The sign of delta H is negative. So we can think of this as 2AB gas is in equilibrium with A2 gas plus B2 gas plus heat. Now it's important to note that we have 2 moles of gas on this side and 2 moles of gas on this side, because sometimes increasing the temperature can also increase the pressure if it's a closed container. So in this case there's 2 moles and 2 moles, so the pressure should not be affected differently on each side. Although the pressure may increase, it's going to increase on both sides of the equation. In this course you won't be given ones where both the pressure and the temperature need to be considered at the same time. So in this case, we have to look at what happens when we add heat. Well, if we add heat to this reaction, the heat is like a product. So the heat is going to drive the reaction in this way, or this reaction shifts left towards reactants because it's exothermic and heat is a product. So, Le Chatelier's principle, put briefly, is the equilibrium will shift to reduce the disturbance in equilibrium. When more heat is added, it favors shifting back towards the reactants, in this particular case, because the reaction is exothermic. The same as if you added more B2, which shifted back towards the reactants. And if you added more AB, you would shift it forward towards the products to remove the excess AB.